Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button. You just enter, click on, and after that you have to type your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. Click on product, then click to the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system because all Windows 10 and 11 both operating system installations process same. Select any VGA and just take it, Intel VGA, and this is size 770. Okay, I already downloaded. You just click to download here, download button, and just click to download. After that it start downloading. You can see this is 770. Okay, just open, and this is just double click to extract, and after that restart. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing, and this is automatically closed, means this is installed.